Hello, my name's Phil Dugmore, Technical Services Manager for Forte UK. And I thought it'd be a good opportunity just to have a look at some of the challenges that we might face with the diesel particulate filter as drivers come out of the lockdown situation and start using the vehicles again. Obviously, this confinement has prevented us from running the vehicle for active regeneration to take place. So with that in mind, we may see increased soot loading of the diesel particulate filter, and we might need a solution to overcome that problem. Now, it's really important that when we do anything with the diesel particulate filter, we always find the reason why the vehicle is not going into regeneration on the road. And the key factors at the moment are obviously driving styles, because the vehicles aren't being used like they used to, and also fuel level. So some people are reluctant to put fuel in the vehicle if they're not doing the mileage that we currently do. So this will lead to issues with oil dilution, warning lamp illumination, limp home mode activated, poor performance and high miles per gallon, engine stalling or not running, and excessive exhaust smoke. So whenever we look at the DPF system, it's always really important that we validate the DPF pressure sensor, and we validate that electrically, but we can also correlate that against actual pressure of the DPF to ensure that the two systems are operating correctly together. So what solutions do we have from Forte UK? So the DPF applicator allows direct cleaning of the diesel particulate filter whilst it's still on the vehicle. The specially formulated products are applied directly to the DPF and will remove the soot normally within around about 30 minutes from connection to road test. We will then add the products to the fuel tank as normal, with the fuel products for cleaning the fuel system and aiding the regeneration process, and carry out an oil and filter change with new generation engine flush. If the vehicle isn't expressing any signs of a problem, but you think it could do with just a little help in its next regeneration, then we can add diesel specialist injector and DPF cleaner and regenerator to the fuel tank, and where required, carry out new generation engine flush and change the oil and filter. With the diesel specialist injector cleaner and DPF cleaner and regenerator, the diesel specialist injector cleaner will clean the injectors, restoring the injector spray patterns, and the DPF cleaner and regenerator will reduce the soot burn temperature within the DPF, making a more effective regeneration when that takes place out on the road. We may need to look at removing the DPF. And if we need to remove the DPF to clean it, we have DPF off-car cleaner. We would still add the specialist injector cleaner and the DPF cleaner and regenerator to the fuel tank, and also, again, where required, carry out new generation engine flush and an oil and filter change. Obviously, prevention is better than cure. So if a vehicle is coming in for a service, then we have a range of options which you can offer your customer to actually add to the fuel tank to clean the fuel system and maintain the efficiency of the diesel particulate filter. So it's really important that when we look at a system where we're looking at the diesel particulate filter, that we diagnose the problem, not the filter. And we have a range of solutions which can help with this. So I hope you found this information useful. And if you require any more further information, please speak to your local salesman or contact Forte UK. Thank you.